In order to provide a more user-friendly service, FoodChain ID has developed an online platform where you can register your samples, follow up on the traceability, and check on essay reports. It's all done in a single place, quickly, easily, and safely. Besides, you can access it wherever you are. All you have to do is access app.fcid.com.br or download our app. It's already available for free on Google Play or Apple Store. Fill out the form with username and password, and that's it. You're able to control your samples in real time. If you don't have an Access login, just request one from our staff. Registering a sample is quite simple and easy. You simply click on the button Send located in the bottom left corner. Afterwards, fill out the form with the necessary information. Remember, the first 6 fields are mandatory and are all marked with an asterisk. So let's register a sample then. First, inform if your company is a branch or the headquarters. Next, tell us the name of the company or the person responsible for the samples. For the next item, you must select the budget or contract number sent by FoodChain ID Análises. In case the sentence "renew your contract" or "request a budget" comes up, it's because you don't have an approved and unexpired contract or budget. Then all you have to do is contact us. For the next step, simply select the analysis sector and the search specification. The search is quite simple. Type in any information, sector, or specification, and that's it. To identify the analysis sector or sample specification, check our table of sector applied testing. If you're still unable to locate the sector and the specification you need, or if it's necessary to include a new specification, contact our technical staff for help. After selecting the analysis sector, you must choose the deadline described in the budget, which is defined by the type of essay, and it starts on the first workday after the lab receives a sample. For some samples, we offer the Express and the Ultra Express options, by which the results are given more quickly. Check for availability. After registering the deadline, simply click to choose the test which must be performed in your sample. Simple and fast. The remaining information, however, are not mandatory and must be filled out only in the case of extra information being necessary to identify the sample. For example, total volume or transportation. After everything is filled out, just click Send. And that's it. The sample code is automatically generated. From that point on, just follow the progress of the sample through the FoodChain ID app. The generated code must be registered or annexed onto the packaging in a clear and safe way so as not to be lost or unclear. To register a new sample, simply click on the More or Duplicate button when most of the information of the next sample is the same as the previous one, therefore allowing it to simply change what is different. It's possible to follow the status of your samples in real time. If the sample has already been sent, received, concluded, or if it's still in progress. To search for any sample, simply type any information pertaining to the sample you're looking for, such as status, code, specifications, tests, or any other data referring to the lot, ship, or others. By clicking on a dispatch sample, you can change or update any item. If you access a received or moving sample, it's possible to access its data and, if necessary, include or change any information. By clicking on a finished sample, it's possible to access its result. Download or visualize the final result. Request changes in the essay report by filling out an online form, critically analyzed by one of our technicians. And finally, to duplicate the essay data in case you need the result counterproof. With the online food chain ID system, you can easily download many essay reports at once. Simply choose the samples by clicking on the language flag you prefer, and then click on Download or Visualize. If you have our phone FoodChain ID app, it will send a message as soon as the sample analysis is completed. Download the app and make sure you have this comfort in your daily life. You will also receive notifications about special offers and services provided by FoodChain ID, all on the palm of your hand, easily and instantaneously. Besides, you're free to leave your opinion and suggestion or complaint and make sure our services may continuously improve. Do you have any questions or do you want to know more about our app? Contact us through analysis@foodchainid.com.br or call us at 54-3222-1659.